Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basics, Outlook version and current Windows updates because compatibility matters. Once done, verify your network connection and temporarily disable VPN or proxy to rule out routing. These often cause offline status. Next, launch Outlook in safe mode to bypass add-ins. Press Windows plus R, type Outlook, exe/safe, and observe whether it connects. If safe mode connects, add-ins are suspect. If not, move to account and data file checks in the next steps. Now you inspect account and data file health, because corrupted files or misconfigured profiles force offline behavior. Open file account settings, repair the account first, and if that fails, remove and re-add it. This rebuilds the connection. Then check data files, locate the OSD or PSD and run scan PSD, or rename the OSD to force recreation. Also toggle send/receive work offline to reset state, and consider running an office repair from programs to fix hidden application errors. Finish by isolating system-level blockers. Temporarily disable antivirus and firewall to test whether security software is blocking Outlook. If mail flows, add Outlook exceptions. If problems persist, create a fresh Outlook profile and import settings. That often resolves profile corruption. Clear cached credentials in Credential Manager, restart Windows, and reopen Outlook. One key troubleshooting tip: if none of this helps, capture exact error messages, note timestamps, and check Exchange or Mail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.